In this section, we'll talk about the work breakdown structure, its inputs, and its tools and techniques. The work breakdown structure is an all-inclusive list of the work components that need to be done for the project. Essentially, you're taking the deliverables listed in the scope document and decomposing them into smaller and smaller packets of work until you reach a size that can be identified as a task in a schedule. The level of detail is up to the project manager, but the goal is to reach detail that can be understood when the work assignments are made. It takes the form of an organization chart or possibly a list format. It maps the project deliverables into smaller components stemming from the major deliverables. It decomposes the work to be executed into work packets and uses the scope as the foundation for the work to be performed. It describes only the work of the project and becomes the foundation for the remaining project planning. The work breakdown structure lists all the work to be performed. It has to be accurate and complete. We've reviewed these before. The inputs for the work breakdown structure are organizational process assets, the project scope statement, the project scope management plan, and approved change requests. The key document is the scope statement, since it's a signed-off document that lists all of the deliverables for the project. There are two tools and techniques for creating the work breakdown structure. They are the work breakdown structure templates and decomposition. Work breakdown structure templates can be used from a previous project and modified to fit the needs for a new project. This is especially true if there's a standard for the project life cycles and some of the deliverables from the phases are standard. In decomposition, you're subdividing project deliverables into smaller, manageable components until the work and deliverables are defined to the work package level, the point at which the cost and schedule for the work can be reliably estimated. This will vary with the size and complexity of the project. There are 5 steps to using the decomposition tool technique. The first step involves identifying all the major project deliverables and related work. In the second step, the project manager organizes the work of the project and determines the work breakdown structure. The third step involves decomposing the work breakdown structure levels into lower level components. They should be easily measured and verified in their final state and can be assigned to the appropriate project team member or group for completion. The fourth step involves assigning a unique number to the work components. And the fifth step is a review of the work breakdown structure to determine if everything is clear and complete. Work components should not be missed, as there should be a correlation between the work breakdown structure and the assignments made to the project teams. If the work breakdown structure is not complete, then schedules, resource assignments, cost, and many other key project areas will be incomplete. This creates a lot of changes and reworks as the omissions are identified. In the next section, we'll review the outputs from this process.